Today we will be doing a fun nature craft.
What nature craft, Mommy?
We will be making leaf prints.
Leaf prints? Let's get started. Let's get started, Mommy.
What are we waiting for? Let's go!
For these fun leaf prints, you will need leaves of different shapes and sizes, white A3 paper, paint and paintbrushes, some water if you are using water paint, and a tray. These simple leaf prints are perfect for combining nature play with an art activity to create a homemade masterpiece. So let's get started. Step 1. Cut or prepare the white paper to your desired shape and size. Step 2. Get your paint ready by putting them onto the tray. If you need to, add a little water and mix through. Did you know that nature provides limitless opportunities for developing creativity? Materials provided by nature stimulate our senses and promote development. Step 3. Paint one side of a leaf. Now firmly press it down onto the paper. Slowly lift the leaf from the paper to see the beautiful print. Repeat this with as many leaves and colors as you'd like. Wow! This leaf print art is super cool!
All done!
Our leaf prints look so cool, Mommy.
They do, right? Well, we have to go now, but thank you for watching. See you all next time.